I got the Cuda outside. Gotta do some grinding. Got the quarter panel on and weld it. I want to grind all that stuff, try to keep some of the dust out here. Here we go. Put the old Cuda back together. Fender on, door on. I just started to do a little grinding here. I put a real thin layer of fiberglass. So we're just smoothing that out a little bit. We'll put some Bondo over the top. Be good to go. Wasn't much warpage, a little bit, but I'm surprised at it. It looks pretty good. It'll be fine. It's the Cuda. All right, we got this side pretty much straightened out here. I'm really digging it. Looking good with that tire tucked in there like that. Just got to do some final sanding and paint, but I'm going to start on the other side now. So I just wanted to give you guys an update and show you how far I am. So with that, I'm going to end the video here. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Remember to be good. Can't be good, be kind. Catch you on the next one. Me and the Cuda back here. We're going to do the other side. Yep.